Hey guys, Don here, Crooked M Forge. James Duncan, Spring and Loaded Forge, sent me this eye punch. Gonna go ahead and give it a try on a railroad spike. So let it get heated up. Obvious reasons. Through the hardy hole is the best place to put it when you're doing any kind of punches. So start up here. Do a nice whack. One more. Alright, that looks good. Inside. Make sure you center it right from your last punch. Try to get out of that hardy hole. Alright. Give it a little brush. Now that is an eye punch. Came out perfect. So lay it out right there. I don't know if he sells them or if he's planning on selling them, but if he does, you'd be one to buy from him. So there's his eye punch right there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it. So get it heated back up. Start on the mouth. Nice little whack. Now what I do every time I hit, I bring it out and make sure I'm on the same line as I'm hitting it on, so I don't screw it up. I'm gonna brush it. There it is. The mouth. I'm going to put the teeth in next heat. What I'm going to do for this series, I'm just going to do simple projects because this is a simple project. I mean, all you got to do is get it hot and punch some eyes and some teeth in it. It's not that hard. It's just knowing where to hit and hitting in the right place every time. So, but it's gonna be the first project of the series. So let me know what y'all want to see. Any simple projects for a beginner blacksmith like myself and everybody else watching. So appreciate it. Get back for the teeth. Make sure you got it in the right spot. Oh, don't hit your fingers. Down there. Check before you strike. Nice brush. Alright. There's eyes and the teeth and mouth. I'm gonna put a nose on there, and I'm probably gonna put some eyebrows. Some eyebrows coming in. Looks a little meaner, so heat it up. On to the next step. Little brush to see where you're at. Find my chisel. I'm gonna use a different one. There we go. All right. All right, so nose came. Watch yourself. Don't burn yourself. Hold on, let me fix it. Nose is a little wonky, but still pretty cool. Put it back in the fire. Put some. Hold on, let me see my poker. My poker is my screwdriver. You gotta improvise. Put some eyebrows right there and right there. Make it look mean. So, all right, let's get the next heat. Eyebrows in there. Give it a little brush. Clean it off a little bit. That's a whack. There we go. We go ahead and call that done. So it's not hard. It's easy. Just get it hot. Actually, before you start punching, you're gonna want to take it out of the fire and kind of shape the jaw to, skull shape, obviously. Just take it out and put it on the edge of the anvil and just strike on the bottoms and kind of consolidate it in. That's it right there. Actually, I think I might put some little eyeballs in there. See how that comes out. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. So let's get it heated up. Try that real quick. Make sure you get it dead center. Well, not dead center, but if you want, you can, but you don't have to. It's a skull. Make it look cool. No reason to be perfect. Right there in the center. I'm going to give it a little small punch down here in the teeth. And get quite deep enough down here on the bottom jaw. There we go. Alright. That's it. I'm going to call that good. Actually, give it a little. This little ball fuller right here is actually from a Water Oak Forge. His name's Jared Gomez. Look him up, wateroakforge.com. He's got every tool you can think of. He makes hammers as well. His hammers are beautiful. But that's where this came from. So, anyways. The cool thing about this spike, actually I just noticed, I haven't done any testing to see if it is for sure. I think it might be one of those rare wrought iron spikes. I'm not sure. If y'all can tell me, let me know. Alright, later guys.